Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE T10E, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and from here we are looking for the screen recorder. So if it's not visible on the first page, swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, and on the second page you can see, for me, that's where the toggle is located. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This brings up a window like this one, letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. So this one right over here, and you can tap on a drop down and choose device audio, microphone, both, and obviously if you have this disabled, it's not going to record any audio. And then next to that we have show touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I will enable this just so we can see how that looks like. From there, click on start. This begins a 3-second countdown, and then with an obnoxious notification begins recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. So if you open up some kind of applications, they should for the most part be recorded. And then once you're done recording, pull down your notifications and select stop. This will then automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application, which is in the Google folder. And you can see it right here at the front. It is under Movies Catalog or Album, and it's already playing. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.